Minitron's eating a rice cream. It's called a rice cream because it's got kind of sticky rice and stuff in it. Meanwhile, I've just dropped into the local fuel injection place, and we've just quicked the injectors out and found what I thought. One of them wasn't spraying, so we've just had a new nozzle put in, and we'll see how that goes on. So I'll try and load this up later on and hope it doesn't get taken down for violating the terms of service, because I said bang. So let's have a quick look out on the main street of uptown Thailand. And that's macro next door. They're all going into macro. I won't be going into macro until April the 30th, when they start selling beer again. So I just got to ration myself until then. We'll see how this thing goes later on. Cheerio now.